Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers and subscribers, at the channel we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because it saves lives. That is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives on this channel. We at this channel aid criminals, their financiers, their supporters, enablers, and the likes with a passion, and we do not want them over here. Yes, let us repeat ourselves. We do not want any criminal supporters over here. Please, we do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes, or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you, the criminal supporters, enablers, financiers, and all the likes, to go to prison or madness. Let me repeat myself. We at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we do not want the criminal supporters and their circle over here. We want you to go to prison or madness. Moving on to our video.
Don't tell nobody, you know. Hear me here, so I ask you, right? Right? Where did stab him from?
It's our place.
Oh God, how we say?
Listen.
Well, I'm one place about it.
What you talking about? It's our place.
But those of you who have known yours truly, whether it's from this YouTube channel or personally, say one thing, man, I'm full of bad mind. I'm a bad mind Vybz Kartel, because Vybz Kartel successful as an artist, and you don't know Vybz Kartel are the shepherd and he might lead the sheep right down into the abyss. Vybz Kartel have mastered something that has been planted in the Jamaican people's psychic for more than 52 years ago. But I don't subscribe to their philosophy. So what you have heard right there, that is Shorty doing an interview with a man who's from same connection, a virgin of Waterford sent it to me and said, boy Chris, I notice nobody in the team say nothing about this, but me I go send this to you, and you understand. I'm not going to say a big man or a youth and them thing, because we have, people still remember me and know the kind of person yours truly is. So, you're going to hear Shorty talk how she stab Vybz Kartel and almost kill him, and he begs her to come back and cries over her pum pum. Yeah, only Jamaican we understand the word and we say pum pum. So, I'll let you listen the conversation, with she and this man. You understand? And the story you're about to hear revolve around a woman known as Titi. When I tell you her right name, who was deeply involved with Vybz Kartel. Kartel reportedly had a strong attraction to her, partly because she much is adventurous and unconventional taste. And if you know what I mean, Vybz Kartel, him love round here. Yeah, him love round here. Him love both places. And him, yeah. Any woman him go with, him have to go round there. Or so it go. Because she said, we still tell you. So much like his longtime partner, Tanisha Shorty Johnson. Their intimate encounter were described as intense, with Kartel pushing physical boundaries, leading to significant discomfort from Titi. Yeah, so in time, Titi go and visit Vybz Kartel and him land up a soldier upon her for days. She a bed care move, because from round her round well, boy, so she have to wait because she a leak. Yeah man, red things, you know what I'm saying? Not period, that are not period, that are red things around there. I'm sack her up, bad. Because she said, boy, I'm soldier big. So Titi after an experience, pain after their encounter, describing how Kartel's physical prowess left her struggling for days. According to Titi, Kartel was anything but partner in regards, in this regard, and their interaction has a lasting impact on her because he loved to go around there. And the money was good. She said he told her that she had to get it around there too. which means that they had round holes around there. So the situation escalated when Shorty's Kartel's partner became aware of Titi, so fearing for her life due to the alleged threat from Shorty's family that after she stopped Kartel, who reportedly had criminals connections, Titi felt compelled to flee to America to escape potential harm. So this dramatic turn of events add another layer to the complexity and danger to the already volatile relationship surrounding Vybz Kartel. So the commentary provides a troubling glimpse into the dynamics of a high-profile relationship, highlighting an incident where Tanisha Shorty Johnson admitted to stabbing Vybz Kartel after catching him with another woman, that a Titi. Titi had only for her slippers, she said, boy, she said, Shorty put her some stab on Kartel, and him, hey, when him get one I stab him, say, Hey, I tell you that, hey, them people are easy in the Rasta. Oh, them deal with all them things there. Why them people, them not no self-respect Rasta. So this situation is symptomatic of deeper issues within their relationship. And it raises concern about the normalization of violence and toxic behavior in intimate partnership, particularly in the public eye. So in Jamaica, them normalize violence. The casual manner in which the story is recounted by both the individuals involved and the media suggests a normalization of violence in relationships. Violence, especially in intimate relationships, should never be trivialized or treated as a mere anecdote. The fact that this incident was later referenced in Vybz Kartel's song Love Them as part of his persona as a gallus, a womanizer, only further blurs the line between real life, abusive behavior and entertainment. This can be particularly damaging when such narratives are consumed by impressionable audience who may become numb and view violence as an acceptable response to infidelity or relationships dispute. So you have to understand that these things have impact on society and culture. So Vybz Kartel is a significant figure in dancehall music, and his influence extends beyond just his musical output. Fans often look at artists like him and the messages conveyed in their music and public life can profoundly impact societal norms by embedding actual instances of violence into his music. Kartel contributes to a culture that may inadvertently condone or excuse such behavior. So as you know, we are Jamaican. Jamaican people are ungodly and violent. Yeah, them revere once a violent man. So this is especially dangerous in cultures where domestic violence is already prevalent and underreported. You know, many women and men are physical and mental abuse. I was, whether or not you want to believe it, I know police, big men, I mean police and them thing. Them live at barracks and them thing because of the abuse where them experience and them wife or them woman. I remember you have a brother used to the Olympic yard named Oil Lewis. Him never like because of me why them transfer him to him say him eat me, because guess what? I show you how things work, So this old man ate me, So one night him man was at Hunsby, and I tell you, him live in a Cumberland. So Oil Lewis, he must corporal then, So him wanted a ride home. So I say, alright, cause a man in charge. I say, alright, we'll drop him home, cause police, we don't want him taking a bus and him thing there from zinc factory. Cause he may have to go down a zinc factory for one and I bust the man. I say no. So we carry him home. So we carry him the big man, and the man knock on the grill. The man wife come out and I say, oh, how you knock on the grill for? How you a fool? Go on at the back. And then you see a man come behind the woman in a white brief. You understand? And the woman start cuss the man, and a female and I say, oh, him know I run a back him for go, him a come a front, and woman try so she the woman, the wife, she's a registered nurse. So him pick her up from nothing and turn her in a registered nurse, and I don't know if I threw him soldier or work or what, but she start diss him and bring man come in him house, and them have all kids, but the kids them that are foreign, and him end up living in back of the house, big man, you know. So me, you know, so me tell her, so and it reached to the east now, and brother named Dave Dale, him dead now, you know. He might hurt somebody if you know your business, you know. And Dave Dale is spread it. I tell you, say man, say man kill me. Him say I'm me, and me come back and talk, and him say man kill me and him thing. But him just say it and him thing, and so them transfer him. Cause him say no one see me, and no one nothing to do with me because me chat him business and all kind of thing. So at time now the man literally when him done work at Olympic Yard, him just go upstairs and sleep. So him did literally leave his station because of the mental abuse from him wife. So I just saw it go. So that is something when them normalize. And guess what now? So she forced him, the wife forced him to take an early retirement. And you know, see, as the man get all him early retirement money, the man just have a heart attack and dead. Yeah man. And them say, boy, the wife kill him. But when say she kill him, say that him kill himself. Because look here, if you have your house and them thing, because him take her from nothing and turn her to somebody. Yeah man, me a man and them thing, no man gonna bring a man in my house and then me go live on her back. That's a madness. But that's to show you say but these are things that underreported in Jamaica. And a policeman this, you know. So imagine him how many times him even by himself or him vex with himself and all of them things there. In which all him have to do is just move on with him life. But apparently him love her more than him love himself. You understand? So it's underscore. So you know, so we'll just show you all them things, you know, how it work. So move over Johnson, that Tanisha recounting of the event along with her assertion of power through control over Kartel'S asset. Underscoring a toxic dynamic where love and power are intertwined with violence and control. Her comments, me now watch no girl. We had suck him. Alright, she has saying, she said, me now watch no girl. We suck him. And if you know what it mean and them thing, yeah, she said she now watch a girl who suck him hood. And me now look no promotion. Followed by her emphasis on holding the power of attorney. Suggesting a relationship built on possessiveness and dominance rather than mutual respect and love. So I saw it going on. So she said, oh, she now watch a girl where suck him hood. But she now tell her say she do it too, you know. And him go around there. So the gender dynamics in situations are complex. On one hand, Johnson's actions can be seen as a desperate attempt to assert control in a situation where she feels powerless due to Kartel'S infidelity. On the other hand, her subsequent boasting about her legal control over Kartel'S assets suggests a different form of power play, where financial and legal control become a substitute for emotional security. So this power dynamic is unhealthy and contribute to a cycle of violence and manipulation. So look here now, so we are making listen to the interview with she and this brother. I don't think Kartel are gonna have nothing to do with him, you know, when Kartel hear this publicly and them thing there with she. Cause you understand. So you know, say even the other children them, cause she control the money, them not get nothing from she, you know, but hey, I saw it go on them thing now. Hey, me not busy with people and them business at them thing there. I just saw. So you watch, you listen, and you decide. So I want you to listen to what Shorty and this man I talk about with Vybz Kartel. Shorty, stab him almost, kill him. One stab. Almost kill the man.
Don't tell nobody, you know. Hear me here, so me ask you, right? Right? Where did stab him for?
What you talking about? It's our place.
God, as I say.
What you say?
Well, I one place about it.
What you talking about? It's our place.
What you say?
Ready again? Me don't want nobody here still when you talk, you understand me?
No man, you can't talk low.
Blood. Where you stab him for?
When you stab him for, it's like boom.
Yeah. Where you stab him for now?
You drink some wine.
Yeah.
You drink George.
Yeah. Yeah.
Me and him in an argument.
Yeah.
I'm going to go to BAM. But they are the house. And drive out. Leave to go to the studio. He takes him and tells me I got my yard.
Okay.
Drive out down to my yard until it's like one man say, take a taxi, go back at the yard. Take a taxi and go back at the yard.
Hold on there. When him drive out, you call him up on the phone and say, I got your yard.
Yeah.
You continue me here.
And then you drive out. I'll fix up my clothes. When me drive out now, when me drive out, I go to BAM. Reach out my mother. Me about to drive go back. I call a taxi. They say after me call a taxi now.
Yeah.
Got the yard, I'm have my own key.
Right.
Got the yard now. It's like him come, him never see my car, so BAM him thinks I'm not there.
Right.
So one time me I watch the camera now, I see him drive up. We just got the front gate in the corner and something more. My one girl step out of the car.
What the blood? Shorty, hold on. No. Hold on, Shorty. Let me get something stronger for drink. The water here.
Why you drink it hard, like you want?
Yeah, man.
Serious question.
Yeah, so him come out of the car with a girl.
Alright, yeah.
So where you there at the time? In the house or in the yard?
You know, you want me say?
Yeah.
But you're the car drive up.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I go in the house and I see everything on the camera. So it's like now, all the house set up, the gate have a little corner where nobody can see if they right there. So.
Yeah, you know, yeah.
Yeah, some of the right there so well easy and well prepared for film.
Yeah.
So, me like him come out of the car now and think car like me here talking.
Yeah.
So I say that sound like a girl voice.
Yeah.
I say alright then. So you see as them pull the grill down and come in, the gate and come in, but the right at the corner and thing.
Right.
So we never give me time to pull the
grill to go in, yeah.
But just run out funny with my ice cream.
Hold on. So where the girl is there?
Girl run down the road and get what she forget.
So it's ice cream to stab him with?
Andrews. Yeah. Wait, lava. Big up Shanstam.
Yeah.
Big up Shanstam, because Shanstam in carry.
Let me ask you a question. So you go to Andrews too?
Huh?
You go down there too?
No? No, never go down there.
Yeah. Hey. Just picture him face when him see a run out in a can feel like he there yard in a.
Hey, me I tell you say, girl only fall her slippers.
He's a runner now.
Me don't know where she turn.
He's a runner.
Why? Me I wonder.
She must have one track shoes or something.
But I wonder if I'm early, she pass your fuck.
So she run on the road and scream and him something there?
Oh?
So what time was that? Like hours in the morning and late in the night?
About say after 1 to 2.
So wonder how she reach home?
No, I'm not really care.
So when you come back come back out of the hospital, the next day or the same night?
The same night.
Or the same night?
When you come out of the hospital, me never there at the hospital. Me never there at the house, sorry. Me never there at the house. Me didn't there at Portmore. So when you reach out at the hospital, I call up my mother phone.
Yeah.
We come home and blah and all these things.
So you must say no, which part you stab him?
That's why I'm side lover.
You could have killed a woman's son.
You never did. Good thing.
So me I say to you now, so are you boil soup him and them stuff there and feel like it with?
No, my mother calls her. But still never leave.
Shorty. Say you nurse him own and you know cook soup in and make him.
You know my mother. R.I.P. Valerie. May I tell you, me just stress my mother.
The whole of one stab. So one stab you get?
Well, I'm not even how much you get from. I'm not saying you get
too sick. And ice pick? And it's an ice pick, right? Is that
Yeah.
ice pick you use? So what?
One of them. Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah, pussy. Yo!
Hey, you hear me sing it in the song? I read it.
What? Which one that?
But
Which
I never
one?
knife for ice pick.
Is that ice pick? Is that ice pick? Yeah.
Yeah, but the knife rhymes.
That's a. Yo.
From them time there, it might
Yeah.
the world say, me and the love of him life. You know, chill.
Him just know himself from them time there. So after him get the stab up and all something there, you know, mash up nothing and something there. Where's the see me that woman in? Mash up na car and nothing. Like a mash up na car and nothing and something there.
Lava like you have somebody that tell you things then.
No, because I know woman say, me say that woman in the kitchen with you.
You have somebody that tell you things them lava. Cause regular mama mash up car glass.
Shorty, go and know the something Shorty. Me a part of Gaza, I just want to know because I hear things I want to be sure.
Regular.
John Bible writer, right? You see the Bible? Put up your hand to the raise the right hand.
How should I write on again?
Raise me no know is raise the right hand. Alright? Ready?
Yes. Yeah.
Kartel ever cry over here yet? Voila, let me drink some of the magnum, drink some of the magnum, drink some of the magnum, drink some of the magnum.
That one nice.
Drink some of the magnum, drink some of the magnum.
That one nice.
Hold on. Remember say you sweep on the Bible, you know.
Lava, I swear, pan, my son them life.
Alright, and I get talking.
Where you say don't Kartel back over me?
Yeah.
You know Sharon Williams?
Okay.
Alright, ask Sharon Williams.
Me not time for action, me ask you right now.
Regular, look. With a straight face, regular. I know, but take my son them life serious.
Hold on. When it's a cry over, my ask right?
Let me cry over. I want her.
Hold on there. Internal crying or external crying. I want to run and go something there. And nose not and go something there run.
Talk about no water in a glass and put a ice so. Not talk about natural eye water.
Alright, hold on there. Alright, like, listen, you have some people that cry as eye water, but you're not nice. I'm just asking if
let's hear what because I approve, I have a receipt for everything. Ask Sharon Williams are facts. Me never hear him sing about facts yet.
Hold on. Alright then. Alright. Me don't know, right? I'm just like pretend to be like Kartel at the time when I cry. Right? Shorty, don't leave me. Tattoo.
No. Oh. What you talking about? It's our place.
What? You answer the question?
Ask me a question, I'm going to answer. The greatest thing you want to know, say yes.
You cry. I say eye water.
I couldn't use water, lava.
No, some people, some man have dry cry, you know, like Sizzler.
Yeah, so this is what you call dysfunctional lifestyle, you know. And as you listen to the man, you know, interviewing Shorty, so we have to, you know, we have to delete most of it because it have explicit, and the reason why we did it is because of the Queen Ifrica video that we had released, and it had a lot of explicit in it, and you know some parents and say, hey, look here, Mr. Porter, we kids them listen to it and them thing there because we want them, you know, we don't want them to follow the corals and them and them thing there. So we make certain, so we have a certain time in the evening, right in the summer year, and make certain so them read. People even ask us some book and all, 1 and 2 look at things, and we're proud of that. So that's why we have deleted most of it, because I'm telling you, almost a Shorty or Carousing, she never used one explicit. She never used any explicit or any indecent language or calumnious language in the conversation that she had with this man. I know more or less this man never expects Vybz Kartel be coming out of prison. So knowing Vybz Kartel, you know that Vybz Kartel is going to lock off this man, you understand? And you understand? So that's how it is. So the role of media in portraying violence, the media's role in covering such incidents is also worth scrutinizing. While informative, the article, the interview, tone, it lacks a critical stance on the seriousness of violence described. Instead of framing the stabbing as a serious incident that could have serious and severe consequences, that it could have killed the man, it is almost presented as an inevitable outcome of Kartel's lifestyle. So this approach minimizes the severity of domestic violence and fail to address the broader implications for society. So she, and him see it as a joke, she stabbed him and him nearly dead, and Sean Storm took him to medical associates, and then after that, him a beg her to come back to her and his mother, and she say her mother passed away. Her mother is the one that nurture, cook soup, give him and all of them things. And she says the ice pick she stab him, and him get 7 stitches. Ice pick. So say I kill, she don't want to kill him, because most people do not know when somebody stab you with an ice pick, what happened to the person that received the stab wound, they bleed internally. That's ice pick is more dangerous than knife. Because knife, the person with the blood would exit, come through the wound. The ice pick now, because when the ice pick enter the flesh and goes and come out, when it's coming back, it's like it closes it, so the blood can't come out. That's why people bleed internally and die from ice pick wounds. You understand? But in Jamaica, people don't use that no more. The people use gun. So the violence in the relationship is a grave issue that should not be trivialized, especially in public discourse. The story of Vybz Kartel and Tanisha Shorty's Johnson is a reminder of how deeply embedded toxic behaviors can become in relationship, mainly mixed with fame, power, and public scrutiny. Both the media and influencers like Kartel need to be aware of the message they are sending, intentionally or otherwise, about violence and its place in a relationship. So public figure must be more responsible in portraying and discussing personal conflicts. The audience must critically evaluate their content and recognize the difference between entertainment and dangerous normalization of harmful behavior. So in Jamaica, growing up, you have some woman, if the man no beat them no want the man. Kind of say man no love them. I don't know how them come by them thing, but now, say love no exists. Love no exists in the discourse right now in Jamaica, because it's just all about sex and woman just say are them good hole and nothing else, Them good hole and them good face. Them have nothing else, nothing behind them name. Low IQ, and you can go on and on. Yeah, so all them talk about now is hole. So in time the hole no good what happen, them done. So that's all them talk about. If you look on, and trust me, I can tell you this, and as a big man, you see these little old corals and them thing upon Facebook. Them desensitizing and them lacking shame and decency. And them in a panty and bra and I send requests. Hey, look here, me just block them, because hey, look here, me pass them stage a long time and them thing. And number one, any man with stays on, basically, them just leave everything. There's nothing for you for your man even fascinate about and them thing, because everything is just right there. So them now in the class. If you notice, it seems like something that's wrong with black people, especially black women. Black people are not old. It's like black people are got hell. Because the things that I'm seeing black people doing online, I don't see no other I don't see the white and Spanish people that do it. I tell you. Yes, So media outlets have a responsibility to present such stories with the seriousness they deserve, offering context and critique that discourage the perpetuation of violence in any form. As we tell you before, and we say it again, Jamaica is a violent place. Yes, violence is something we revere. When I say we, me not talk me, you know. Yeah, because you can see it, you know. You see where Baby Trump nominate George Pang. If those of you who born and raised in Jamaica would know that George Pang is synonymous with badness. Yeah, bad man. And George Pang have license gun, you know, but yet you have police and you have decent Jamaicans who can't get a license gun because they're not a political connection. So you have to understand that the system is designed for criminals. George Pang is one of the men who we do a video about it even time. 144 old people when them skull a bus. Even today, 2024, Yellow Man is still traumatized from that killing. And for decades, they have been telling the Jamaican people that is meant from Tivoli until yours truly comes out and speak. Because I am from Jungle and Jonestown. So you understand, them can't sell way, them can't send me a hollow and a puss in a bag. We just tell it as it is, you know. You understand? So offering context and critique discourage the perpetration of violence in any form. We denounce violence. We believe anytime you use violence is mostly self-defense. Yeah, for protection of life and property. You know, we don't support that. And just listen to her, she laugh about it. She could have killed the man, you know. And in her cranium and the people them. And the girl, Titi, where she have to run with all them things. Boy, I tell you, Titi, she have to run with, and she's American and all them things. She have to run for her life. But it only goes to show you how these people, how them operate. And to them normalize that. Oh! And I hear she laugh about it. That there's nothing about that to laugh about. Because, the man could have lost his life. Although, we don't have no beef in it, we just talk about decency, you understand, and respect for life. So the narrative, we share highlight several disturbing and problematic themes, including explicit violence, sexual exploitation, and criminal threats. So such contents reflects not only on the individuals involved, but also on a broader societal issues. So, so as we critique, so the description provided center on explicit violence and objectification. Yeah, portraying the individuals involved in a dehumanization manner. So them dehumanizing each other, you understand? Referring to someone as titty and describing sexual act in such graphic term reduce the person to mere object for gratification, devoid of self-respect or dignity. So the reason why we address that on them thing, because some people, you understand, boy, if we call a woman titty, or dehumanize her in our manner. But look here, that's our alias on them thing, when I come out with our full name, because, you understand, Shorty no titty, Kartel no titty, him love titty, but look here, whether or not you want to believe it, the new girlfriend Vybz Kartel have, if she don't allow Vybz Kartel to go around there, she out a year. May I tell you that. Because Shorty have run well, Titty have run well, I'll even Milk have run well. The Angel have run well too, because him touch all of them. Every woman where Bounty Killer and Beanie Man have, and him touch them. Because him have money, and them licky. So nobody look on some woman because you see them look a certain way and them thing. That's why if you as a man say you look a wife, nobody look no man that got dance and club and them thing there. Wrong place that. My mother always say if you find a woman at dance, you leave her there. If you find her at club, leave her there. Because wife no got them the place there. A corals down, coral bunkers got them place there. Yeah. You understand? Because them a look for juggies them. Because licky woman them not nothing about them. You understand? Oh, and I want to tell you too, well, we'll touch all that too and them thing there. Because most people never even know that Vybz Kartel even touch Yendi Phillips too. That's before she been with, what brother your name? Alleged that before him been with Eve one time she had Chino. Kartel used to knock it to Yendi Phillips. So we don't know if him go around here too. Cause them say anyone. As I hear Shorty say it, you know. Cause there's an interview we should do even online and them thing there. Shorty say any woman with Kartel touch them have to suck him mud. I hope the kids them don't understand our language there, but hey, you understand? They have to suck him body. They have to suck him body and him have to go around there. Him used to touch Yendi Phillips to big time. May I tell you? So moreover, the glorification of sexual violence, such as describing physical harm as something to be admired or feared, perpetuates harmful myths about masculinity and sexual relationship. So the role of power and control. So the scenario suggests a dynamic where power and control are exercised through both sexual dominance and intimidation. So the idea that someone had to flee to another country due to threat from a criminal family underscore the extreme length to which control is asserted over others in this narrative. So we show Shorty, the man are nice people, because she has some corrosive, corrosive in a fear family and corrobuncles, Shorty, that's why, you say Shorty name, although she bleach, Shorty ugly like sin, I tell you, Hey, Shorty have one grandmother, may I tell you, say, hey, I ugliest thing that, man, our grandmother, yeah, man, Shorty grandmother, ugly woman, man, may I tell you, yeah, man, I just saw it go, see. But so Shorty new man now, Chalice, yeah, man, and Chalice brother Red Clown and them thing there, yeah, him get deported and him back up here and them thing there. But the difference now with Chalice and Vybz Kartel is an entertainer, Chalice is a druggist. You understand? Yeah, and Chalice brother Red Clown, him get deported. They are in Broward County, Dade County, Miami. And so I drugs themselves. So a matter of time before him go to jail and go to prison. So him she can't go into the man house, when Kartel die prison. Because she ain't go look for him a prison, she write him off, So that's why this is a white woman, from England. Why, hey, and Kartel have all the iron all him clothes. You think him easy. But look, whether or not Sidom want to believe it. So anyway, say Sidom stay with Kartel, because she allow him to go around here. Because Titi say, in time Kartel mash her up, man, all for days, she can't move, She does a leak, She does a leak from around here, yeah, man. And boy, I don't know how them do it. You understand? So the situation, it could easily be mistaken for a plot in a sensationalized drama, yet it to reflect real life dynamics that can have serious consequences. In some subculture, these kinds of behaviors might be sensationalized and even glamorized, contributing to the normalization of abuse and misogyny and criminality. So say in Jamaica where some Jamaicans are some violent people, and everything they make excuse, You think I'll Shorty and I'll kill him and them thing there, you hear them? Sure. Well, him done that already, I just saw it go on them thing there. Yeah. You understand? Yeah, man. Why? I don't know how them people, how them do it still, Shorty, ugly, hey, boy, I tell you, hey. Yeah, man, so, yeah, Shorty grandmother and Toots. She ugly like sin. Yeah, man. So, yeah, so Titi said, yeah, man, so Titi said that that Yendi Phillips, God, hey, me I tell you, them man ain't easy, hey, them man have all three some, man. Because that Titi has said, you understand what I'm saying? So, I just saw it go. So media outlets and content creators must handle such stories with care, sensationalizing or glamorizing violence, mainly when it involves real people, can have far-reaching adverse effect. And the reason being is that you can't normalize violence, but them people, them see it as nothing, because you hear the man laugh in an interview and after the man nearly dead, in which we don't really care still, because I feel them thing, you understand what I'm saying? I feel them corrosion life and them thing there. You understand? So the media is responsible for providing context and critique rather than simply reporting such incident in a way that could be misinterpreted as condoning and celebrating the behavior. Whether or not we want to believe it, in Jamaica, that's a normal thing now. Because we see people who have accused of murders, I get national award, being a man, and them nominate George Pang. George Pang is one of the killers of the Eventide home. So no one listen to a PMP propaganda is them, because none of them don't come from where me come from. Me come right beside which one of them kill the people them. I'm born right beside where them kill the people them too. I still have family who live down there. Wow, no one go kill them. I know me you not kill. I know so I don't like to kill me, but I not stop chat. I are the terrorists of Jamaica. I condone and I contribute to all of the killing them down there. So it is important to remember that behind these sensational stories are real people who may be suffering from consequences of these actions. So Titi is portrayed as a victim of both sexual violence and subsequent threat to her life. So this narrative underscores the importance of addressing the harm caused to such relationships rather than reducing the victim to mere characters and dramatic story. But hey, she lucky she had to say the woman run for her slippers. She go stay and I got the man yard and she knows the man have him woman. But she boy the money good. What kind of money could have good that you make a man a give or run all? And for days you mash up because you say boy the man soldier heavy and big. And boy we see some photo where came out and all them things. I tell you from Politics Watch. Man, hey, some people send me nothing go click on the website. Some people send them to me and them thing there. I tell you say, man, the first two me look on them thing there just oh God, how them do it? You understand? It's just like how Eve went with Philip Palwell thing in time. Everything in a go on last year. You sent them send some photo to me and them thing there with the man in a bed in a white brief with some little boy. Boy, me couldn't what? Me couldn't look. Me don't know all them thing there some sickness in a man. Our man in a big old man in a bed in a white brief with little boy and them in a for them brief and all them thing and the whole of them I don't know them just sick man. And then since the girl dead now in a year, nothing about it. But I do a follow up on that and them thing there. So the content and language, describing these events are problematic and perpetuate harmful stereotypes and behaviors. It is crucial for those discussing such stories to do so with sensitivity and awareness of the broader implications. This includes avoiding sensationalism and focusing on the serious issues at hand, such as sexual violence, power dynamics, and impact on victims. Ethical reporting and media consumption are vital in combating the normalization of such toxic behaviors. So those with platform, whether artists or media outlets, social media platforms, should strive to challenge harmful narrative rather than perpetuate them, ensuring that respect, dignity and accountability are at the forefront of any destruction involving violence and exploitation. As we say, you understand, we're totally against violence, especially in any form. The only time for use violence must be self-defense of one's life. That's it. You understand? So, I tell you, the narrative surround Vybz Kartel and Tanisha Johnson and the woman referred to as Titi underscore the critical need for ethical discourse and responsible media presentation when discussing violence, sexual exploitation and power dynamics in relationships. The troubling details and language used to describe the incident highlight the dangers of normalizing and sensationalization, harmful behavior that which could have real world consequences on individuals and society at large. So it is imperative that public figures, media outlets, audience recognize the impact of such stories and approach them with the gravity they deserve. Rather than glorifying or trivializing violence and exploitation, there should be a concerted effort to challenge these toxic narratives and advocate for respect, dignity, and accountability in all relationships. By doing so, we can work towards a culture that condemns rather than condone abuse, that support the victims rather than reducing them to sensationalize figures in a story. So the only thing we can do as Jamaicans and as a people and a whole, stop glorify violence and stop support people who harm others. Because she almost killed Vybz Kartel and she's laughing about it as if it's a joke. That is not a joke, man. You can't do that. We condemn violence in any way. When people in a relationship, there's two kind of violence in a way. That's not you want to believe it. You have physical violence and you have mental violence. And whether both of them are the same. Only thing, one, the physical violence leaves scar, but the mental one leaves scar too. But that scar you can't see. Worse if the other person in a relationship is like the dominant one and try to exert them dominance over the other person, and the other person might be because of their them just want to live a peaceful life in a relationship, and eventually that person really lose themselves, because they are being controlled now by others, by the other person, and it is just really sad. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica, Young Police Channel, out.